Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to see how you can sign in to your Kling AI. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'd have to do is open any kind of browser on your PC. I'm going to use Google Chrome. And after doing so, now go to the search bar and start typing app.klingai.com. After you have typed that down, now tap on the enter button on your keyboard and this will take you to the official website of Kling AI. Here you can see this is the official website, and then you can also see the option of sign in right here. Simply just click on this option. And after doing so, here you can see there are three different options that you can see. Sign in with your Google. So if you have sign up your account with your Google, you can click on this option. If you have sign up with your Apple, you can click on this option, sign in with Apple. So since I have signed up my account manually, I'm going to click on this option, sign in with email. After doing so, add in the email address of your Kling account. After writing down your email address, you can write down your password of your Kling account now. After doing so here, now click on the sign in option right here. And just like this, here you can see you have now successfully been signed into your Kling AI account. You can click on this profile page right here, and now you know that you have been successfully signed in. And that is it. That is how you can sign into your Kling AI account. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.